Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use Elementor and WordPress to build simple and high converting sales funnels and beautiful and attractive pages. Now we have seen how to install WordPress, we have seen how to install Elementor as a plugin. We had a short overview of Elementor and what types of elements and widgets we have and we can use to build our pages. And you have seen in the previous lecture that we have done a test page. Now we are inside that test page. We are in the Elementor editor, as you can see. And right now in this lecture, we want to show you exactly how you can use the template library of Elementor. As you already know, Elementor has a template library of different designs and blocks that you can use in order to build easier your pages. And how we can use the different templates that we have? Well, it's actually very simple. In each of the pages that you want to build using Elementor, you will see that you have this block here, which has a plus in order to add a new section and to add elements. And it also has this small icon here to add a template. And if we are going to click on this icon, a new pop-up will open. And you can see that here we have all the templates that Elementor offers for us. Now, the idea is that we have some templates which we can find in the pro version of Elementor, obviously, so in the paid version. And we have templates which are completely for free and to start with are very, very good. And we have templates which are for whole pages, okay, and we have different blocks, so different parts of the pages which are templates that we can use. You can see that we have a menu here in this pop-up which says blocks, okay, and here we have different parts of the pages that we can use, so different templates for different parts. We have pages, here we find templates for whole pages, and we have our own templates. Basically these are templates which we have saved from our own design. So let's say that we have built a scratch using Elementor. We have built a page from scratch using Elementor. We are going to save that page as a template and we are going to show you how to do that in a different lecture. And we will be able to find whenever we want to build a new page and use that template, we are going to be able to find it here in My Templates. And if we want to insert it in a new page or use it to build a new page, we can do it from here. Now let's go back to pages and we can see that all of these pages which don't have the pro watermark that you can see on these ones, on these templates, so all of the pages which don't have the pro watermark, they are free to use and we can use them. And we also have a search tool here. We can search for a specific type of page. We have also other options. We can mark them as favorites if we want to, okay. So we find them easier next time when we want to build a page. And we also have some options from Elementor, from the template library, like popular. We can see which are the most popular templates used by users, the trending ones and the new ones, okay? Let's see which are the most popular one. The homepage for app, homepage for restaurant, agency. Let's scroll down a little bit. Landing page for a hotel, homepage for fitness, business. Now, we will be most likely interested in building landing pages because in this course specifically, we are going to see how to build sales pages, JV pages, and so on. So basically a whole funnel, a whole sales funnel. And what we are interested in searching for is landing page. Here, for example, we have a launch page, a landing page for tourism, for different types of businesses, right? Landing page for a specific product, for a mobile app, for real estate, for a webinar. Maybe we want to run a webinar, okay. And here we have the pro ones, so the ones available only for the pro users, the ones who have paid for the pro version of Elementor. Now let's say that we want to have a simple landing page for a product. We are going to select this one as an example, and what we are going to do is click the insert button and we are going to wait for a couple of seconds and we can see that it has inserted, okay. So from here on, these are our tests. We can delete them if we want to, okay. And this is the whole template of the product page, the highest quality lens in the world. So this is basically a launch page for a product, for lenses, okay, for lenses for photographers, for cameras. So if you are going to scroll down, this is how the page looks like. So this is the template, and we can see that each of the elements of the template can be edited. Okay, here we have the logo, and if we click on the logo, we can change it. It's actually an image, phone number, questions. So this is the template, and basically this is a design which is made from more elements, and each of the elements are editable or replaceable, and we can add more elements if we want to. Okay, we can go in the left side menu, element, let's say that we want to add a new heading. We just drag and drop below this text here, okay, and we have a new heading. So we can add our own elements. This is the most important to understand, okay, that we can add our own elements to this. So this is how we use the template library. Very simple. We can also add extra new templates like blocks. Let me show you how to add a block. We go to add templates, we select blocks, and let's say that we want on FAQ, so frequently asked questions. Let's say we want this black one. We just click the insert button, and the FAQ has been inserted after our landing page, okay, because this is the place where we wanted it to be inserted. So we have the FAQ, the same thing, the block has different elements which can be edited. So you can see it's very simple to use the template library of Elementor. Now, thank you very much for your attention, and we are looking forward to see you in the next lecture. Hello and welcome back to our next lecture from this course on how to use Elementor and WordPress to build simple, nice and high converting sales funnels. Now, in the previous lecture, we have showed you how to use the template library in order to select a template that is good for you and which you can use to build your pages. And right now we want to show you exactly how you can save your own designs as templates so that you can use them when you want to build a new page and you want to use a previous design that you've made for a different page with Elementor. So let's say that this is our page. Okay, we have made some, we have added a template here, and we have also added this block, as you remember from the previous lecture. Let's say that we also want to add a new element. We go in the left side menu. Let's say we want to add a video. We just drag and drop the video here. Okay, so here we have the video placeholder. And just as an example, how to edit the video placeholder and actually add a video. So you click on the video placeholder, and in the left side menu you can see that the editor has opened for you, and you have the source of the video, which can be YouTube, Vimeo, Dailymotion, or self-hosted, and you just copy and paste the link. Like in our case, we have from YouTube. You can select a start time from the video, an end time, the options of autoplay, mute, loop, player controls to show them or not to show them, branding, privacy mode, and so on, suggested videos. You can select the suggested videos or not. You can have an image overlay. Okay, you can choose an image overlay for your video, but let's say we don't want that right now. And we have the other normal options for each of the elements, like the style, and depending if it's text, if it's image, or depending on the element, you will have different options for the style, obviously. For video, we have the aspect ratio and CSS filters, and the advanced options like positioning, motion effects, backgrounds, border, responsiveness, and so on. Now, let's go back to content. Okay, here you put the link from YouTube, and this is the video. Okay. Now let's say that our page is finished. We have added all the elements and it looks exactly like we want to, and we want to save this page as a template for the future. Okay, maybe we are going to use it in the future for other designs as well. What we are going to do is we are going to go in the left side menu, and near the update button we have save options. Okay, we are going to click on save options, and we are going to click on save as template. Okay, save your page to the library. Test1 template. We are giving it a name, we are saving it, and you can see that now it appears here in our templates, and we can preview the page or insert it in a new page. Now let me show you how to insert it in a new page that we are building. Okay, so for that I'm going to go to the administrator dashboard and try to create a new page. Okay, we are going back to pages, add new. We are giving it the name test2, saving the draft, edit with Elementor. We click on edit with Elementor. As you can remember, we go to the settings first, select the Elementor canvas, and we are going to go on the add template icon to my templates, and look, we have the templates here. Press insert, yes, and you will see that it has been loaded. Okay, so this is the actual template, the page that we have designed before. It has been loaded, so we can use it here now. So this is how you use the function of saving your own templates and using them in the future in building other pages as well. Now, thank you very much for watching, and we are looking forward to see you in the next